But I didn't expect that, oh, this girl there, I will never go and meet her in any like school there. But I went to school, she was sitting by me. She's in class with me.
Wow.
How is it? Free SHS. Because if we look into the free SHS, it has really, really helped. If we are diving into it, it has really helped. But when they say MPP, free SHS, oh, just free, what has it done?
Okay, so explain to me how it has helped with details.
Good. So I went to Wesley Girls High School, Cape
Okay,
Coast.
people.
Yeah, my mom is an old girl, and she told me personally that the money that you even pay, this, before you even actually say you're coming to pay the school fees, you have gotten the school loan. Still, there are some monies that you pay left, right, before actually paying the school fees. When you sum it up, it's a lot. And when I went there, the people that I saw in the school, I couldn't believe it. Because, like, there are some people in my area, I didn't even expect them to be there. They are good. They are very, very good. But I didn't expect that, oh, this girl there, I will never go and meet her in any like school there. But I went to school, she was sitting by me. She's in class with me.
Wow.
How is it? Free SHS.
Okay.
So people sit down and think that free SHS is something that everyone can do it. But let's be honest, no. It is something that it needs time. And it has brought a lot of advantage to other people. And like, it has really helped a lot. But it's something that if you say right now in Ghana, oh, then you are MPP. No, that doesn't make me an MPP. I'm just trying to say that it has done a lot.
Okay.
A lot.
A lot.
Yes.